Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. And yes, this is the day I'm gonna be unboxing the Baseus Wm01 True Wireless Headphones. So if you guys are looking for an affordable but yet powerful headphones or earphones, this might be for you, so keep on watching. So the Wm01 is one of the in-ear series from Baseus. They have I believe four colors for this particular set, and it has a many in-ear comfortable design and also advanced wireless version 5.3. So what do we mean by that? It actually has a wider scope and also clearer, crisper sound. And I tell you, it's so tiny, like really tiny, but the sound quality is super amazing. Parang magiging review na rin to, pero gagawa ko ng separate review. It has about 25 hours long lasting battery. So if you're the type of person that you use your headphones only when you commute, this is the perfect earphone for you. Kasi sobrang crisp ng tunog. It has noise cancellation. So if you're meditating, if you're studying, if you just don't want to be bothered by outside noises and you want to listen to your lo-fi, chill hip-hop sounds, or you know, any sounds that you prefer, this is the headphones for you. So the box came in with a C-type charger and also some instruction manuals. No fuss, very simple. Pero alam naman natin hindi ko babasahin yung manual. So if you look at the design, it's very simple, very minimalistic. So kung ma-aesthetic kang nilalang, ito po yung bilhin nyo. And I got this only for 550 pesos during the Shopee 10/10 sale. Like, hindi na ako nagpahuli kasi usually they would sell it at about 650 or 770 pesos. So I bought it for only 549, and that does not include the free shipping. And yes, I got it for free shipping. The thing that amazes me about the Wm01 is how strong the magnetics are. Like, ayan o, pinagkalaroan ko na siya dyan pa lang. And even with the headphones, it's ang lakas ng magnet. And yes, it came in seal. So, tatanggalin niyo yung blue sticker na yan para yung magnet mapunta doon. Pero may charge na siya. Fun fact, ever since I filmed this unboxing video and when I got the package, I've never charged the Wm01 and headphones. Hindi ko pa talaga siya na-charge. Although minsan ginagamit ko lang siya for like more or less an hour a day. Kasi nga, I use it for meditation. I use it when I just need my peace and quiet. It's really good. The sound quality is amazing too. So if you guys are interested, punta na lang kayo sa description box and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!